Hello everyone, Michael Lee here from the reviewer. Today we are bringing you the DJI Mic Mini. Okay, so basically I just purchased this, and this is the DJI receiver, transceiver and receiver. Okay, so you can see that this mic is actually pretty small compared to the other DJI mic, and to me it's pretty powerful and it's good enough for beginners to use. Okay, I've been using it to record some of the videos. Okay, the clarity was awesome. So yeah, so I would say the DJI Mic Mini is really suitable for beginners to use. So you can see that it's actually a wireless microphone. Okay, you can connect it wirelessly, so this you can connect it to your phone or even to your drones. Okay, if you're a drone flyer, you will connect to your DJI drones, and then you can actually record sound from the mic itself. Okay, so hopefully this will help you to select and for you to know which type of mic that you are looking for. Yeah, that's all for now. Thank you everyone. Like and subscribe. Okay.